So today I'm here with Toyotress Hair again, and I'm gonna be doing a wig try on haul like before. So I got each wig in a separate box, and it's the same packaging as before. So it says be beautiful, be different. That's what it says, and it has the information of what's on the inside on the box there. So we're gonna see what we're working with some inches today. Okay, what comes in the box apart from the wig is literally just a weaving cap. This is what comes in all boxes. I was wrong. I got this paddle brush. This is cute. This is gonna come in real handy. So yeah, that's everything that came in the package. And though, oh my god, this feels so good. For today's wig, what we have is a Toyotress part and bangs wig, guys, and this is in this the labeling says 32 inches. This is a human hair blend. Okay, so I feel like, you know, it's a mix, because you know Toyotress usually have like synthetic wigs and stuff, so this is like a human hair blend, so it doesn't feel synthetic like all the way or anything. You could definitely feel that it does have like human hair within it, but it's like a mix. You could definitely feel that it's like a mix. It's very soft, it's very silky, it doesn't look super plasticky. These wigs are definitely on the more affordable side, so if you don't like, if you're not stressing getting anything too expensive, I feel like a wig like this would be very, like, you know, convenient for you. So this is they say this is 1B, but I feel like it's a little bit darker than that, which I absolutely love. I absolutely love that. The bang portion looks good, and it, as I said, does have a parting which has like a lace inside. So let's look at the cap construction. So yes, there is lace at the parting area, and it's a standard cap. It does have adjustable straps in the back, so you could go ahead and adjust that for more security if you want the wig to be like tighter on your head. It looks pretty good, and it's lightweight. Even though it's nice and full, like, it's still lightweight, it's not heavy. So now that I showed you guys how that wig looks, let me go ahead and try this one on for you. So really easy to slip on. It's very nice and like snugged, so it's not going anywhere. Yeah, the cap is definitely really nice and snug, so just play around with it and adjust it. If you feel like you want to cut more off the bangs, you can, but I like when my bangs are, like, you know, not too short. And as you can see, it's a nice straight texture. So based on how you like handle it, you know, the gentler you are with it, the less tangling you have to deal with. So this is how it looks, and it feels, as I said, very manageable. Just handle it very gentle, so it doesn't like get very tangled, easily tangled on you. So it comes all the way down to my hips. Yeah, definitely. See that? Yeah, so yeah, it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. It's inches for sure. And you guys know I'm always showing you bobs from Toyotress. See? Parting in the middle right there. It looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and give you guys a view at the back. You could definitely just go ahead and rock it as is out of the packaging, because it is still synthetic. It's just, it's mixed with some human hair. No one would know right off the bat that you're wearing like synthetic hair. Like, nobody would know. And as I said, it's not all the way synthetic. It's a nice blend, so nobody wouldn't pick up, because I feel like the fact that they mixed it helped it to look more realistic. So I love that. So that's the first wig. Let's go ahead and move on to the second one. So on to the next one. Okay, so we got a like nice ginger color here. Same thing, same weaving cap. So this is actually 26 inches long. Oh, and it's copper, it's not ginger. The color resting is copper. So this one is a little shorter. This color is so thorough. It is done to perfection. Love that. Very silky. Again, I love how it's not overly shiny, so it has more of a realistic look. Wow. So okay, this one actually has lace. No bangs. This one has lace, and it's a lace parting, by the way. They just left a piece, like a little area in the front, so it could look like, you know, have that nice natural look. So if you want to go ahead and cut it off and probably, you know, use your adhesive to hold it down, you can. But I feel like you could definitely wear this wig glueless as well, because for the most part it's just a lace part. So that's how the construction look. It has 2 combs on the inside and adjustable straps. Well, 3 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back. So that's nice, and it's layered. It's layered. It's very nice and full as well. So that's a pro. The cap is very snugged once more, and I'm just kind of positioning everything on my head. They did make this with, you know, baby hairs. Usually, you know, when you get these wigs, sometimes they'll give you with baby hairs. So that's how it looks. The lace part, the parting looks very realistic because it's a lace that's there. And this is giving pumpkin spice season for sure. It's giving fall. Definitely giving fall. And it has that nice layered effect to it, like, you know, that 90s vibe. This is how it's looking. It's giving more 24 inches, but I do like the fact that it's so realistic looking, like in terms of the sheen, the luster and everything. Like, I absolutely love that. But yeah, this is how this one looks. Really easy to install, and you could definitely, it's a nice glueless install. All the wigs are usually glueless from them because they're so easy to just like slip on and go. So yeah, this is what we're working with. This is wig number 2. Okay, and you guys know the drill. All the links to each wig will be listed down below, as well as the specifications. So, you know, if you want to go ahead and explore these wigs for yourself, you could go ahead and get them. These wigs are very affordable, guys, like less than $100. So $100 US. So cheap, you know. Yeah, so that looks good, feels good. Movement is very nice. It's not stiff, it's not dead, doesn't look limp, you know. So we love a good realistic synthetic slash human hair blend wig. So let's move on to the next wig. This is the final one, right? As I said, this is the final one. They say this one is 20 inches and it's giving more 18, but it's very nice and full. It's a straight texture. All of the textures today were straight, as you can see, and this is ombre. So they give a nice variety of colors. First we had black, then it was copper, and now it's a number 30 mix with like 1B, you know. So that's really nice. It's so nicely layered. I love that. So this again is a center part, and it's a lace center part. It has a little space in the front just in case you probably want to pull it back, and there's a total of 3 combs on the inside as well as adjustable strap in the back. And again, not a very overpowering luster, very realistic looking, feels very nice and soft and silky. This one is thick though. It's a little bit more on the coarser side. I don't know if it's because it's so thick, I'm not sure, but it still does feel very manageable. This one, yeah, they say it's 20 inches, but yeah, it's giving me a little shorter than that. The only thing, it's really full, like really full. So yeah, and they did put like baby hairs on the very front, so if you want to utilize that, you can. So I'm just gonna swish a piece of this behind my ears. It's so easy to like just slip on and kind of like finesse, so I really do like that. And again, another mix. So I did get a little bit of shedding. So the shedding so far is minimal, especially from the colored ones. The first one, which is the black, I didn't get much strands from that, but just minimal shedding from these ones, so you can note that. See, it's like free flowing, like it's not stiff, feels really good, so I love that for sure. And it looks good, it looks very good. So yeah, this is it for the final one. Again, the cap snug, the cap fits the head perfectly. All of these are medium cap sizes, and you know, all the partings are lace partings, so they try their best to incorporate little things in it to make it feel more realistic, even though you're getting it for such a cheap price. So I think that's good for all, you know, the people out there who don't want to spend a whole bag, like drop a big bag on buying wigs or, you know, all of that, but you still want to look cute. You know, you could go ahead and check them out. As I said, I'll drop the link to each and every wig in my description box, as well as the website for Toyotress, and all the specifications will be listed down below. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys found this video informative today. You know, it's a really nice, quick and convenient wig try on haul. I feel like I gave you guys variety with the different wig looks. So I feel like something is there kind of like for everyone, you know. If you're not into wig, hair that is too long, you have something that is shorter, that's way shorter, or if you want something medium length, I also showed you an option for that. So yeah, that's it for today's wig video, guys. Oh my gosh, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Toyotress for their bomb affordable wigs. Alright, shout out to them, they did their thing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go wig up on yourself. Bye. Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never